Today's craft: Campfire with Marshmallow. Supplies: tape, glue, toilet paper rolls, construction paper, scissors, and cardboard. Step 1. Cut out a piece of cardboard for the base of your campfire. Cut out flames from the paper and tape them to the toilet paper rolls. Step 2. Glue the toilet paper roll logs to the cardboard. Step 3. For each marshmallow, cut out pieces of white paper to cover 1/3 of a toilet paper roll. Also cut out a stick from cardboard. Step 4. After gluing the pieces of paper to the toilet paper roll, punch a hole on either side of it with your scissors. Then the cardboard stick can go through the marshmallow. Enjoy roasting marshmallows over your campfire. Find us on your favorite social media website and at easycraftshunt.com. Footage provided by easycraftshunt.com. Made with Pixlr Editor and Corel Video Studio. Animation by Dolphin Studios. Music by Kai Engel. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and share. Subscribe for more fun craft videos, and thanks for watching.